again, this is Rick with AmazingAccuracy.com. It's currently April 12th, 2020 at 9:29 p.m. Chicago time. And yes, for most of you, you know this day as Easter 2020. Anyway, so here I am looking at the wheat chart. And the reason why is back on March 13th, which is right here. You see that where my little mouse arrow is pointing to? I uploaded a video that predicted, well, amongst other things, it had several things in there, but one of the things we discussed in that video was to look for a possible top here for March 26th. And in that video, I had these words written here, this date, and it says Delta Top question mark. And then I just uploaded it and forgot all about it. Well, then yesterday, when I was looking at my wheat chart, as I was preparing the F-Dates report for our membership, I went back and go, oh, let me take a look at how this went. And right here is March 26th. And then there's the very top, which happened one day late here on March 27th. So hit that top really, really nice. All right. And since then, you know, we had this swing bottom over here on April 2nd. This $ F-Date is on our recent report here. And it's showing 4-6. It had a swing top. And right now we have this next F-Date coming up here. And yes, you're getting a couple of F-Dates provided to you for free with this video. And you got April 13th coming up right here. And I got a little note. I like to put a little note, says April 13th, 14th top question mark. And then over here, another $ F-Date for the wheat market. And I said April 21 bottom question mark. And I put the little question mark. It's because nobody knows for sure. But what I do know is that when we come to this time period, if prices have been moving up, then I'm going to be definitely looking for a top around here and for prices to move down. But if we have an inversion, which can happen and does happen from time to time, then I would see prices moving lower into April 13th, 14th. And then, of course, I would be expecting a bottom. So right off the bat, just expect a turn, not necessarily a top or a bottom. But I am saying that this current cycle pattern, just like I anticipated that this had a higher probability of being a top, I am saying that this has a higher probability of being a top here, and this has a higher probability of being a bottom. But I don't stick to probabilities when the day arrives and I notice prices moving in the opposite direction. I'm going to trade it as it's going to turn. I don't care if it's a bottom or a top, because I'm not going to trade into the date. I'm going to trade from the date. So if it's making a top, trades would be, of course, going in the opposite direction. And if it's a bottom, trades would be in the long direction. I hope that makes sense to you. See, we have different kinds of traders. We have those who trade into expected turns, and we have those who trade from expected turns. I'm one of those guys who likes to see it set up exactly as expected. And if I see that it is setting up right here, and I see it setting up right here, that's all I care about, that it's setting up. And that means top or bottom. I don't care which it is, because I'll just simply be going in the opposite direction. But for right now, if the cycle pattern holds true as it has and we get no inversion, look for a top and then look for a bottom. And that's it. Nothing more on this. I just wanted to give this little recap of what happened here on this forecast, which worked out great. The move was actually bigger than I had expected, but the forecast was not based on how big the move was. It was simply that it was looking to go up, and it did. And that it was looking to top, and it did. All right. Thanks again for watching. If you haven't done so already, you may want to subscribe so that you'll be notified in a timely manner of my next upcoming video. Please give me a like. Leave comments down below if you have any questions and so forth. I do answer them from time to time, usually several days apart. So just go ahead and leave it there, and in time I'll get to it and I will answer your questions. All right. See you in the next video.